Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jemima-De-Susan, and if you're new here, hola, bonjour, welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe and support your girl. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a full face makeup for the first time in my life. Yes, for the first time in my life. Now, in my previous video, I did say that I can't do my own makeup. I usually get my friends to do my makeup anytime I go out. I did get a lot of messages after saying, oh, you're lying, this and that. Guys, I'm not lying. So I decided to do this video to shut some of you guys up. So this is how it's going to go. I basically asked one of my friends, her name is Lolar, and she basically does my makeup on a regular anytime I'm going out. Now, I've asked her to pick some makeup tutorials on YouTube for me to follow. Now, she split it up into like 3 sections. So I'm going to watch one video that's for my base, and then another video for my eyeshadow, and another video for my lip combo. Hopefully she hasn't picked anything too hard because she understands my struggle. So I'm excited for this, but I'm nervous because I don't know what to expect. Once I finish my makeup, I'm going to basically FaceTime 4 of my friends, and I'm going to ask them to rate my face out of like 10. Hopefully they're nice to me and they're not horrible. Okay, so the first video, obviously I said before, is for the base. So let's get right into it. I feel like nothing's coming out of this. I'm so useless. I guess I'm just like filling in. And she did this as well. She did like, I don't know what she was doing like before, like this. Mate, at this point, yeah. But yeah, let's just go. Don't even look the same. I know they're not meant to look the same, but this looks different. Ay. This is why, right, if I had money, I would get my eyebrows microbladed. That's on period. I don't care about the pain. I would do it because I can't be living this lifestyle. It's just not for me. So good. Yeah, I actually don't care. I don't even think that was balanced.
You need to know the balance.
That was not balanced at all. Boy, but we move. Nah, guys, yeah, I'm not doing this. Forget it, guys. Bye.
5 minutes later.
Do you know what? I'm just gonna do me. Actually, I'm just gonna do me. Oh, I'm so bad at this. I really don't. I don't know. I just don't know. This is my favorite bit when I get my makeup done. I like to be wet. I still don't know the difference between bronzer and contour. I really don't. They look the same. What the hell is going on? I've messed up. I remember in high school, I saw some girl, right? She literally had Jesus' crucifixion on her face, not knowing it was contour. She didn't blend it in properly. And I'm now talking about her, but look at my face. I look like I bruised myself. Guys, look. This is not pretty at all. I don't like it. So I don't have blush, but I've seen a lot of people use eyeshadow as a substitute, so your girl's gonna be doing that. Honestly, I don't know what's going on with the face. I'm gonna be using this one. So I feel like I've applied the blush in the wrong area, but do you know what? I don't care. I don't give a heck.
I don't give a heck.
Hey.
I'm gonna out.
Hey.
I am going out.
Hey.
I don't care what people say.
Hey.
That's the attitude I'm having for this video. Like, I knew I was gonna flop. Like, what did you guys expect? Okay, and Laura's asked me to stop there. Now we're going on to the eyes. Oh my gosh, it's Vanessa Gima.
We're gonna grab this gray shade right here.
Wait, grey shade. Before I continue, guys, I've not looked at these videos that Laura sent me. I'm feeling kind of iffy about the fact that Vanessa just said that we need to use the grey colour on my eyes. Now, am I an alien or what? Guys, do you know what the definition of a pandemic is? My face. It's not COVID, guys, it's my face. I'm looking like a mad woman. Like, Laura, payback, I promise you. I promise you. Guys, the look was really, really hard. So if you guys want to try it out, I'm going to put the link below. Because apparently I was meant to look like this. And I ended up looking like this. I don't know where I went wrong. I sat down, thought about it before coming back on camera, and I genuinely don't know where I went wrong, okay? It doesn't matter because your MCM wants me, not you. Okay, cool. The next video is basically for the lips, and it's going to be with Justin Sky. So hopefully this one is going to be easier for me, because so far I've had a terrible experience, as I said before, and I'm going to repeat again and again. It's been terrible so far. This is my absolute favorite lip liner. It's called Chestnut. I know a couple of you girls don't use these expensive lip liners. I know you use eyebrow pencil. It's okay. Your secret's safe with me, baby, because I'm going to be doing the same thing. Hi Savannah. Hi Jeremy. Hi Belinda. I'm going to show you my face and I need you to rate me out of 10. And I need you to be honest. Are you ready? Yeah. I'm scared. Okay. She said, what did you say?
Let me call you back.
No, you have to rate me out of, what you call it, 10. Be honest.
I feel like everything is fine apart from the eyes. The eyes just confuse me. I'm like, what the hell's going on here? This is like what do you call it? Something called drag race. I didn't even watch it, but I got reminded of it.
What did you get reminded of?
Of the drag race show that's on Netflix. I'm sorry.
Right, Sven, I'll call you back in a bit, yeah? Love you.
Bye.
Bye. What would you rate me out of 10?
6.
6? Okay, so what do you like and what don't you like?
Yeah, the makeup's a bit off, I won't lie. Eyeshadow, I like that.
The eyeshadow, in it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool, safe. Thank you. Bye. The thing I'm going to show you is my makeup, right? I'm so bad at makeup, but I need you to give me your honest opinion. Belinda, I'm being serious. You ready?
I'm not the best, by the way.
No, are you ready? You're better than me. Trust and believe. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, what are you rating me out of 10?
I feel like apart from the eyes.
Uh-huh.
10.
10.
Apart from the eyes, yeah.
Nah, Belinda, oh boy, you're lying.
Are you wearing foundation?
Yeah, I'm wearing foundation, yeah.
Your skin looks really smooth.
Thank you, sis. Thank you, thank you.
Like, you have a really good base.
Oh, thank you. I like that. I like that.
Really good.
Thank you, but the eyes is not going well, is it? Don't
But
lie.
then who am I to judge? I'm not good at eyes.
Listen, I'm trying. Alright, okay, so
You've done very well.
thank you. I appreciate it. I don't know if you're lying or you're telling the
honestly,
truth.
I'm not.
Okay, thank you.
On your eyebrows?
Okay, my eyebrows is a joke, but
My eyebrows are fine, that's actually fine.
okay, it's just the eyeshadow is a myth. Okay,
I like the eyeliner though. How did you? No, the eyeliner's good.
I'm a pro at eyeliner. You know,
Maybe it's just
sometimes
the color.
it is the color, maybe. Thank you.
But honestly, your base is flawless.
Oh, thank you, sis. Thank you so much, Belinda.
Oh my god, you're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Okay.
what do you like and what don't you like? What is it for you?
I think the sides are a bit too dark.
The what?
The sides are a bit too dark.
Yeah. And what else? What else?
I don't know what's happening with your eyelids, man. It's shocking. It's actually shocking, man. The eyes, what's going on?
What are you giving me?
You even blend them properly. It's just there. It's like,
Do you know how hard it was? Listen, this is like my first time doing this. Okay.
Alright, this is my criticism, and then I'll give you your score.
Okay, go on.
So I think it's just a little bit too dark for your skin color.
Okay.
And the sides are just doing a bit too much darkness.
Okay, that's the
The
contour.
eyelids is a miss, mate. It's an absolute miss. It's an absolute miss.
Okay, so
I
what?
like the lips. I like the lips.
Okay, so what are you giving me then?
I will give you. I'll give you a 4 out of 10.
He's cancelled. Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.
Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.